In this video, we're going to see how to create a folder and upload files into the folders in SuperConstruct. Once we log in, we land on the page where we see the companies we are associated with. On clicking the company, we get to see the projects that we are associated with, which are a part of the company. Click on a project and now click on the Documents module from the Switch Module option available on the left side of your screen. On clicking, we navigate to the Documents module, where we can see that there are a few existing files and folders already. Now we see options to add folders and upload files. So let's start by creating a new folder. To create a folder, click on Add Folder and give a name to the folder by entering in the box. Let's call this folder Design Documents and confirm by clicking on Add Folder. We can see that the folder by name Design Documents is now created. You can either view it as a table or you can view it as a grid. Now let's click on the folder. Once we navigate into the folder, we can see that we do not have any documents added to this particular folder. We can upload docs by clicking on Upload File again to select a file from your local drive, or we can also drag and drop files directly. In this case, let me select a file from my local drive. We can also select multiple docs at the same time here as well. Once it's uploaded, click on Upload, and we can see that the files are now uploaded and updated. So these files are uploaded in the folder called Design Documents, and here you can see the navigation. You can also click here on My Documents to navigate back out of the folder. We can also upload files independently as well if we don't have them to be a part of a folder. Click on Upload Files and we can select files from the local drive or drag and drop a file to save. We see that the files are stored here below with a clear categorization between the folders and the files, and since these are being created by the user logged in, all the documents are stored under My Documents. They would be under the Shared Documents here, and we will discuss the permission in the next video. So this is how we create folders and add files in SuperConstruct.